Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police on scene. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What started as a call involving a passenger at Atlanta's airport quickly turned into a situation that required officers to respond. As the encounter unfolds, we'll see how the interaction develops, what decisions are made by everyone involved, and how a routine call at a busy airport ends up demanding police intervention. The breakdown starts now.
Sir, what's going on?
He's fucking with me.
Are you flying in or out?
I'm flying out to Pittsburgh. I said I gotta go see my niece.
What time is
and
your
I
flight?
just watched him. He said,
What time is your flight?
12:30. I'm already late. And on my camera, it's still recording now. I just watched a black dude.
Before officers can effectively manage the situation, they need a clear understanding of what prompted the call in the first place. The information they receive early on can have a significant impact on how they approach the encounter from that point forward.
No, I can't accept that. I gotta go see my niece tomorrow. I just watched him. You can see it's still recording.
Well, listen,
he is being racist. He's being racist on this video camera. Yeah, it is. I have it recorded. I have it recorded. I have it recorded. I'm gonna keep it recording.
They deny you flying right now?
I'm not drunk at all. What's the matter? I'm stoned, but I'm...
At this stage, officers are working to build a clearer picture of what they're dealing with. The information they gather here can quickly influence their assessment of the situation and determine how actively they need to manage the encounter moving forward.
I'm not drunk, and I have it on video. You can see right here. 4 minutes, 15 seconds.
Did you check a bag?
You can check my bag. I don't care. I have nothing in my bag.
Get your bag.
I missed my flight. All right, I'll go get my fucking
Get your bag.
It's because both of you are black.
Get your bag. Let's go.
The interaction is beginning to move beyond a simple exchange of information. As officers focus on gaining compliance, the priorities of both sides appear to be moving in different directions, creating conditions that can make the encounter more difficult to manage.
He's black. Fuck you, dude. Knock it off.
Even when a use of force option appears to be effective, the encounter isn't necessarily over. Officers still have to safely secure the situation, and those next moments are often critical in determining whether control can be fully established.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
The encounter ultimately ended with officers taking the individual into custody after the situation escalated beyond a verbal interaction. No additional case information or court outcome was provided with the footage. This encounter is a reminder that when communication breaks down and cooperation becomes a challenge, officers often shift their focus from conversation to maintaining control of the situation. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share it with someone who enjoys bodycam content. Now I want to hear from you. What did you think about this encounter? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.